So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So फिर से सभी का स्वागत है इस और एक brand new video पे. So in this video guys, we are going to see how you can get Perplexity AI Pro $200 plan at a very almost 99% discount rate. Okay, so I know like you guys, if you want to know that what Perplexity can do, it can generate images like it's same like ChatGPT, but it's better than ChatGPT, and you will have lots of other models too like Cloudy and all. I will show you, but you can see this is my account, and Perplexity Pro has been already upgraded $200 plan. You can see, I know, and lots of you guys can't afford this much costly product, and this is not a sharing. We will upgrade your existing mail. Okay, and this AI can do research, learn, write, and work online. You can do everything with this AI tool, Perplexity Pro. You know, right? I mean, those who are like in internet, I mean, those who scroll like internet or just surf internet, they know that how much hyped this product is because of its value it provides. Okay, so today now I will show you. So you can see Pro has been activated, and so all you have to do is just visit this website cheapersgame.com and search your Perplexity Pro, and or just you can type Perplexity. After typing Perplexity, you can see if in INR price it's only 1089 rupees, and if we check in USD, then it will be, let's see after it loads. Okay, and we have all the payment options. You just have to give your mail ID and you can upgrade it normally. And you can see lots of other products are also there, but I'm not gonna show you that in this video, but just we will focus on Perplexity. So it's taking bit time to load because there are some technical issues. We are fixing it anyways. So all you have to do, just add to cart and make payment, and after that we will just ask your mail ID and we will upgrade that mail. That simple it is, guys. Don't wait for more offer because the price like it can change in any time. So as you guys see, the website has loaded. So the official price is $200 and we are offering it only at $12. Like it's almost like free. Okay, almost free, and you can see the benefits also listed in the description. So you will have full warranty, full guarantee, and you can do anything with this AI. You can generate images and lots more with, and yeah, so it's very helpful. I mean, the AI is very helpful. And that's it for this video, guys. So everything I have explained in this video. So if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of questions, you can just comment in the comment section, and I will definitely help you. All the links will be in the description, so visit the links and make order. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and peace out.